Hey, Danny here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is what's new. This is basically a continuation of YouTube's partner program and where I stand currently. Well, the other day I got a email from YouTube saying, yes, you just passed the 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Congratulations. We always knew this day would come. We hope you did too. Your channel just hit its first 1,000 subscribers. Next stop, 10,000. So I look forward to that. And I'm currently 21 subscribers over the 1,000. So that was fantastic, and I didn't know until I got home whether or not I'd been approved for the partner program. Well, I got in there and I checked. Everything's the way it was. If you're on your channel, it keeps counting down, it keeps counting up your subscriber bases, but it doesn't keep climbing on your watch hours. So you need 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. So as each month goes by, it's counting up another 12 months, just like it does the 28 days. So when you reach 4,000 watch hours, not minutes, hours, then you'll qualify, and you can just watch. You can just go into your channel section and watch that. Well, I went in and I double checked, and because they say you should be approved within a week. Well, I got reading down. When I got down a little bit closer, it says applications for YouTube Partner Program are still in backlog. I knew that was going to happen. That's always my luck. So now 2 months. Most of us will be 2 months out of it from the time we finally reach 1,000 subscribers. So we hope to be able to review all open applications by the end of April, and it's the 29th of March. So I'm assuming it could get approved anytime within April. So, and it says thank you for your patience in the meantime. So, well, it's always my luck. So, but at least I got my 1,000 subscribers. My watch minutes have gone up about 20,000 over the past 2 months. So that's a nice go. So anyway, I'll keep you informed, because you're going to be going through it too. Hopefully when you're ready, it'll only take a week for your application to be approved through the YouTube support team, and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Definitely subscribe. I appreciate it. And we'll catch you on the next Dan Crosby's Vlogs. What's new?